In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make Spotify play over other apps. It is very quickly and very easy. First of all, I will point out that I'm doing the process on Android, but you can do the same process, okay? The exact process on your iPhone. The first thing you need to do is enter on Spotify settings, okay? In my case, I just press on Spotify and click on app info, okay? But if you are on iPhone, you need to enter on Spotify settings, okay? So after doing that, here are several options, but you will find for battery, okay? You need to find battery and click on top. If you are on iPhone, you need to find this option, allow background activity, okay? So find this option, allow background activity, and just turn on this option, okay? After doing that, you already make it Spotify play over other apps, okay? So you just need to restart your phone, restart your iPhone or your Android, and after that you already can play songs and can play Spotify over other apps. I hope I help you on how to make Spotify play over other apps. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.